Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna do a FabFitFun unboxing. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright, so like usual in the FabFitFun box, it has like this little magazine. It's Meghan Trainor on it this time. It has a list of all the products and like that are in the box. And I believe it has some like articles and stuff in it too, but honestly I don't really read into it. I probably look at just like the prices. Okay, so first in the box are these, what is this, Nassif MD Detox pads. They cost $45 and it deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. Now, I'm not sure exactly when you would use this in your skincare routine. I assume maybe it would maybe act as like a toner, or it would go like before or after the toner. But yeah, I'll probably use that as like a replacement for my toner. So whenever I'm out of, what am I using right now? Whenever I'm out of my Kapari Coconut Rose Toner, I will test these out. But $45, and it comes with 60 pads, so that's not too bad. Was it less than $1 per pad? So that's nice. Looking forward to that. Next in my box is this hair straightener by Amika. It's called the Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. It costs about 80 bucks. Now I could go without this because I do already have a straightener that is okay. It's a Chi one, and it's kind of like a lot cuter, but this one's cute as well. They're about, looks like the same size. This goes up to $4.50, and mine only goes up to $4.10, which I would honestly prefer. The heat that I use, I probably only use in between 360 and 410. I don't want to go really that hot because my hair is pretty damaged and I do have to maintain it every few months. And the straightener is 100% ceramic plates, generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair, which is mostly the claim for all hair straighteners. So I might use this one here, or I might replace the one that I used at my dad's house. Okay, so next in the box is this after spa hair towel. It's a hair towel wrap. This towel is designed with an elastic hoop and button to comfortably dry and hold your hair up. I honestly don't really use towels on my hair. I kind of just let it air dry. So I'll probably maybe put this in like a giveaway because I know that I won't use it, and somebody else could probably get some more use for it. I do like that it's pink. Pink is my favorite color, but yeah. And this cost 18 bucks, which you could probably get a towel at Walmart for what, $5, and do the same thing. But if this makes it easier for you to dry your hair, then you go for it. Alright, next in the box is this Better Skin Co. Better Skin Lava Magic. It's a cleanser, scrub, and a mask. This costs $32. So it's a 3-in-1, enriched with nourishing ingredients to give skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. I do like that it's a 3-in-1, which I think it's probably good for traveling, since you can cleanse, exfoliate, and use as a mask for your skin without bringing 3 other products and adding more weight to your luggage. So yeah, I would definitely use this for traveling. But as far as like a mask, I have like about 6 masks in the line for me to use. So this is probably gonna have to wait for me for a while. So it says more about it on the container. Skin cleansing, volcanic lava with nourishing calendula, sweet orange, and grapeseed oils, cucumber, parsley, and chamomile for healthy, radiant, more youthful looking skin, scented with a hint of orange. Yeah, so these are one of the products I would really go for, since it does sound like it has more organic ingredients, and that's what I've been interested in now lately. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out. And on the paper, you can see that it's looks like that. It looks like a thicker consistency, but that's what it looks like inside, since I won't be opening it. Next in the box is these Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. It's a 6-pack. I have tried these out before. I think they were in a Boxy Charm box once before. I did use them. I honestly can't really say if they did much. I kind of think eye mask might be a little bit of a gimmick, but they are cute to wear because they look like gold. So there's a picture of it right there. But I mean, it's a nice little thing to make it feel like you're pampering yourself. So it says these eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. So yeah, right up my alley. Sounds like it has organic ingredients, or at least that's the things that they're stating in the description. But there are a lot of more ingredients inside. Even though I don't really care for eye masks that much, I'll probably still just use it. And then if I change my mind on if they have an effect or not, I'll let somebody know. I'll post it on Instagram or something. Anyways, these go for $25. Next in the box is Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. I don't know who it was, but I did see someone use these in a YouTube video, and I thought it was really interesting. I think she gave it to like her kids to use, because it's like it looks like little candy cubes, but obviously you're not supposed to eat it. You exfoliate it with your skin in the shower. So these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Now, I'm gonna smell it. Oh, yeah, that for sure smells like candy. Do not leave this around any like toddlers, because they will for sure try to eat this, because it smells honestly great. Alright, so these go for $16. They're really cute. I would use them. They will be second in line when I'm done with my other body exfoliants, but definitely easy to use. Here, let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm talking about. Oh my god. It just feels, and you just squish in. I guess it kind of dissolves onto your skin, and then you rub it in and get all that dead skin off your body. Next up in the box is this Human and Kind Body Souffle. Even though I should use them, I'm not a big fan of body lotions. I just always forget to use them, and that's probably why my skin is so dry. Plus I need to drink a little bit more water. But yeah, not a huge fan of these. It says lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturizer, like you would expect a lotion to do. Another thing I would like to point out is that it's a naturally derived ingredients, I guess, and it's vegan and cruelty free, which is again up my alley, since I'm looking for more of those products to include in my skincare. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this goes for $18. Not too bad. It's a pretty big size, so I could spend that much on a large body lotion container. Alright, next in the box is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This is $30. It's infused with, quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees, which is perfect since that straightener goes up to 450 degrees. So if you're that person that goes all the way up to that temperature, then you should probably use this. I don't think I've ever tried any of Aveda's products before. I know they have like their own like cosmetology school. That's really all I know about them. And since it does have soy, I know soy is probably something some people are allergic to, so you should definitely not use this because you don't want to have an allergic reaction and who knows, go to the hospital or whatever it is that happens for you when you have that allergy. It's $30. Alright, so last in my box is this Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel for sensitive skin. So I added this on because I had like a $25 credit. And I know Juice Beauty is one of those brands that is cruelty free and they use like organic ingredients. So I definitely wanted to try them out for the first time. So this exfoliates and helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and discoloration with Juice Beauty's best-selling peel-rich alpha hydroxy acids, blah, 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 delivers spa grande exfoliation, revealing a brighter complexion. They put brighter complexion in white on a lime green background. So this cost $42 in stores. So with, I think it wasn't even that much adding it on. It was like, it was, I think half of like $25. It was like 12, 13, 14, 15 or something bucks on the add-ons. So if you're looking to save some money, definitely check out the FabFitFun add-ons because that is a hysterically great deal on this product or on other products that you might be interested. Okay, so the overall value of this month's this season's FabFitFun box is $306 with my add-on. Subtracting my add-on, the value would be $264. So great for when you're paying what, $50 per season plus shipping. I think that's what it is. If you think about signing up, I will go ahead and link my referral website link or whatever in the description below, and I'll list everything that I got in this month's box. And if you enjoyed this video, enjoyed my unboxing, and want to see more videos, I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel. Give me some motivation to keep on making videos, especially when I'm in nursing school. I do want to dedicate some time though to post videos at least once a week. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.